Do you ever do any martial arts?
Hey? Martial arts?
Yeah.
No.
My boys they do karate.
Okay.
So when I was in Amsterdam, karate is like, it's like a little bit official.
Yeah.
Kick on the head. Oh, yeah, it's not. It's in the line like this, you go.
Yeah.
There's blood. Like, what's the ritual?
What?
You supposed to sit down, you know, like these Japanese movies.
Yeah.
You know, like, it was like, dude.
Yeah, exactly.
You know?
That's weird, eh?
We just like go with a damn complex in here. You know how many mornings I had to drink books. Like blue belt.
That's so funny.
Oh, I almost fit, but I was like, why don't you just, you know, loop them out from this?
To do a lab now. 1 minute.
This is nice replacements. Bolts.
I'm gonna look at longing at 27.845.
Here's this bit, so sliding in. Here you can stand. My hair is like 3 traces. There is a test zone. You can just scroll through it. It's 1, 2, 3 candles.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, see it's like ding ding. There you see it's right.
Should hold on.
Big candle up, just sell down, and then a full candle, full it's beautiful to see it happening. I mean, it still can go through it, right? It's surely a first replacement.
Yeah.
That's not gonna guarantee the speed.
How's it, guys? Yeah, I mean, at the moment, I'm just looking at one trade. Obviously, in this Matic trade, I did send it on the group earlier. But at the moment, just waiting for Bitcoin to come down a bit further. I'm looking to long this retracement. I do want to see a rejection from this level over here at around about 27.845. And let's just see if this level holds. If it holds this level, you can see that it is a support from yesterday 2:30 and yesterday 10 o'clock. Throughout the whole day, it was holding that level. So I would expect price to just come back, retrace there, and we could take a long back up to 28,100. Let's just see what happens though. Yeah, I did take this setup earlier for Matic. I took out 25% at this zone over here at 0.9151, and then my stop loss is below this wick at 0.9067. Okay, so obviously just in case price comes down, hits my stop loss, I actually might re-enter again. But Bitcoin does look like it's getting rejected from the zone here. So let's see how this 5-minute candle holds. Obviously, if it holds, we actually might take a long position here. The 15, I mean, this is just normal, right? Retracement back down to this key zone, and then we'll take a long based on that. So let's see how this level holds. But yeah, from yesterday, I mean, there's a lot more volume today, which is very nice. Yesterday we only took around about one trade, and there was just zero volume because of the holiday. Yeah, I think I'm gonna wait for this to flip bullish, and then I'm gonna go long here. This looks very clean. Let's wait though. Yeah, so I'm gonna take this trade here from this level. I'll put my stops below this wick, and then take profit at 21.71, around about that area. The 5-minute close nice with a bullish closure, and that's what I was waiting for. So did take a long here on Bitcoin. Yeah, the 5-minute is flipping bullish, broke the highs over there. We need to see it break this level over here at 27.937. If it breaks that zone, it will be clean to run up. So let's see what's happening. So we did take this long right now. We'll see what happens here. Filecoin, yeah, I'll go over Filecoin now. Let's have a look at Filecoin. And then obviously 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗘, we're still in this trade here. So yeah, if you didn't take this trade, I'm looking at taking profit at these highs. Obviously, I think it might run up back up to 28,400. It potentially could do that within today. Let's have a look at Filecoin, for example. So yeah, if you guys did just join, we are in that Bitcoin long. I actually haven't looked at Filecoin in long. Yeah, Filecoin looks like it's breaking key levels here. Okay. So if you guys did just join, I see there's a couple people joining in. We are on this long for Bitcoin. I will be going over Filecoin now. Just want to see how this 5-minute closes above the zone. If we do get a closure above here, it's probably clean to run up to the highs. Filecoin, let's have a look quickly. This looks very bullish. Let's remove all the drawings and see what's happening here. Yeah. Yeah, so Filecoin, there's a key resistance over here, /support, at this level at around about 4.953. So this is the zone that needs to hold for Filecoin. We need to watch that on the daily time frame. If we go down to the 4-hour, we can see that it's actually approaching that zone. If it flips that zone, then obviously this would obviously be very bullish. Okay, so what we need to see happen here is a closure above this key level at 4.953, because if we come left here, it's a very strong resistance / support. So you can see it was resistance, flipped into support. Once we close above here, we should see a run up back up to these highs. Over here, this is a good level to take profit, and then this level here would be an area. Okay, for me, I mean, I'm not going to trade this now. It doesn't make sense to jump in along here because it's kind of already on its way up. And yeah, I mean, what I would have done here if I looked at it, we would have broke the highs over here, take a long above here. I mean, it's a closure above. You had your candle close above the key level, and we would see a run up. I just want to go back to our Bitcoin trade. Obviously, Filecoin, we can't really do much there. It does look bullish though. Yeah, so Bitcoin over here looks like we're getting a move. Yeah, we did in the stream. We did take this trade. If you guys are in this setup, we're looking to take profit at the highs at 28,000. So yeah, we'll keep this open. You can just see price came down, grab liquidity, and then we should see move up. We need to see a 5-minute closure above this zone though. And the 15 closure in 5 minutes as well would need to be bullish. It is fighting this level though. Yeah, Filecoin. That's pretty much all I'm looking at for Filecoin. The thing is with Filecoin now, it's almost like you can't really just chase this trade. You would have to wait for that 4-hour candle to close above here. So just wait for this. Right? Wait for a 4-hour candle to close above this level and then take some longs. But yeah, this is the only setup we're in now for Bitcoin. And then Solana, I mean, I took a trade earlier for Solana. I'll show you where. Oh no, it was 𝗕𝗪𝗧𝗪. My bad. I'll go back to that now. This I had a very nice entry for 𝗕𝗪𝗧𝗪 here. And I'll show you my thought process. Yeah, so this was the setup for 𝗕𝗪𝗧𝗪. Essentially, what we had was price came back down to this key level at this zone here at 0.9, let's just call it 0.9, and we basically just had a double bottom, grab liquidity, took a long, looking at taking profit at this level here, and then eventually these levels here, depending on if Bitcoin actually breaks out today or not. So it's mainly based on the fact that Bitcoin breaks the highs today. If we do see a break of the highs, which is over here at around about 28,000, then that would obviously be bullish. But yeah, this looks very clean. The 50-minute is closing in 3 minutes. This would be very good indication if price carries on to the upside. So we need to see a candle closure above 27,935 in order to carry on moving to the upside here. The 5-minute does look good though. Yeah. If there's any other charts you want me to go over, we can go over them. I do want to see if we can find another setup that we can look at right now, but at the moment, just only in that Bitcoin trade. We do need to see a 15-minute closure above this level here. And then let's have a look at some other coins. For example, let's go over XRP. Yeah, XRP, yesterday I sent out this signal here, and it actually hit. I didn't take this trade, but it did hit that area that I was looking at. So you can see when price was over here, I said price must come back down, tap into this zone, take a long, and it actually hit take profit right now at these highs. I did not take this trade, if you are wondering, but it was a setup that I put out. And then for Cardano, let's have a look at Chainlink, for example. Yeah, Chainlink, I was waiting for this to happen. I think once we get a break of this resistance line here, I will take a long back up to these highs. I mean, it looks very bullish within today. Looks like Bitcoin is breaking out here. Let's see. Yeah, this looks very clean for Bitcoin. I think our entry was very good here because it grabbed liquidity to the downside, and then obviously we're getting that push right now. So it was a very nice entry. If you are using high leverage for this trade, you can actually look at taking some partials. Obviously, we're going to see a retracement here, but this 15-minute candle looks very bullish. We're probably just going to see a run up right now within the next 5 minutes or so. Yeah, let's see. I mean, the 5 and the 15 is closing above a key level here. Yeah, so this is the trade we did take in the stream. If you guys did just join now, we are in the setup. We took this pretty much in the beginning of the stream. I think it was 10 minutes within the stream. yeah, a closed bullish here. We should see a runner. This indicator I have been using for volume. It shows you the volume here, and you can see that it is increasing. So basically, what it shows you here, if it's a light green, it means that there's more bullish volume. If it's dark red, it means bearish volume. If it's not as green, it means that there's bullish volume. But when it's light green, it means that there's a lot of bullish volume, and that's currently what we're seeing right now. So looks very, very good, yeah. Yeah, and then what I'm looking at now, let's have a look at Solana. I do want to show you something on the higher time frames here, on the daily time frame. So if you're looking at, buying Solana on the spot market, right? This is what I've been looking at. I'm expecting price to come back up to this zone, get a rejection, come back down by around about $16, and then look at taking profit at $26, which is around about a 74% increase. So what I would do is, as well, I would actually put a 5 leverage or a 3 leverage at this level with high margin, and look at targeting these highs over here at 26, 27. Okay, that's what I'll be looking at for Solana. But obviously right now we're probably going to see a push back up to this level. If we break out of this zone over here, then I will be looking at a long for Solana at this level. Okay, around about this zone, back up to this high. I mean, it's around about 16% move. So what we need to see now is we actually need to have a look at the total 2 market cap, which is going to tell us if there's a breakout or not. Okay, so this holds us all of the market cap of all the coins within the market except for Bitcoin. So we need to see on the 4-hour time frame what's happening. We are seeing a potential breakout here for the altcoins. Okay, so the altcoins are breaking this key level here, which obviously implies that we may see more to the upside within today. So this is something to look at. Once we break these highs, I would actually put this up a bit here. That would be the area where price needs to break in order for us to take a long. If you're not in a long now, then what will happen right now is we'll probably see Chainlink take out these highs over here. Once we take out these highs, we should see price move up to 6.7. So what I'll do is I'll look at longing here. Your stop loss would have to be below this wick, and your take profit would be over here, your first TP, and your TP2 would probably be at 6.936. Okay. Yeah, so it's important to I'm in 10 minutes. Yeah, so it's important to actually wait for this to happen. So once we see a breakout of these highs over here, then I'll be looking at long in the market. But at the moment, I'm just in this Bitcoin long at this level. And essentially what I'm waiting for is price to tap into this 28,000 zone, okay? If price taps into the zone, then it will obviously be bullish for the market. So at the moment, just currently only in 2 setups, which is the 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗘 trade over here. We did take this long earlier at around about 0.8, 0.9022, and I will be targeting these highs over here. So this would be your first level to look at over here, your second level over here, and your third over here. So that's something that I am looking at the moment. But I will keep you guys updated. I do have I'll do another live stream within tomorrow because at the moment the market is looking good. But I do appreciate everyone being here, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.